Good morning, students. Today I am discuss about to derive coefficient of viscosity. To derive coefficient of viscosity, let a gas flows over a horizontal surface OX with a certain velocity C. With a certain velocity, let us divided this gas into number of layers. Number of layers. The layer which is connected into OX is having zero velocity. Zero velocity. Consider a layer AB whose velocity is U. Two more layers CD and EF, above and below at a distance lambda, means free path anamata. Lambda from limbs means lambda from AB. Lambda means free path. Here the layer CD exerts a tangential force on AF, on EF in forward direction. On the other hand, the EF exerts some amount of force on CD in backward direction. In this way, the set of tangential force between the layers then opposes the motion of gas. This tangential force is known as viscous force. Viscous force. Therefore, viscous force F equals to eta A dou U by dou Y. Here dou U by dou Y means velocity gradient along y direction. This means the velocity of AB layer U, CD layer U minus lambda into dou U by dou Y, EF layer velocity of EF layer U plus dou U by lambda into dou U by dou Y. Dou U by dou Y means velocity gradient along y direction. Viscous force per unit area. Viscous force per unit area. Unit area means A equals to 1. Therefore, F equals to eta into dou U by dou Y. This is equation 1. Here eta means coefficient of viscosity. Let N be the number of molecules per unit volume. C bar is average velocity of molecules and M is mass of each molecule. Then the number of molecules are crossing unit area of AB layer in 1 second is equal to NC bar by 6. The total mass of molecules which is crossing unit area of AB layer in 1 second MnC bar by 6. The total momentum of molecules crossing unit area of AB in 1 second carried downwards from EF layer to CD layer means P1 equals to Mn C bar by 6 into U plus lambda into dou U by dou Y. Similarly, the total momentum carried upward direction from CD to AB P2 equals to Mn C bar by 6 into U minus lambda into dou U by dou Y. Therefore, net change in momentum, net change in momentum in downward direction, delta P equals to P1 minus P2, that equals to Mn C bar by 6 U plus lambda dou U by dou Y minus U minus of minus plus lambda dou U by dou Y. Mn C bar by 6 ని కామన్ తీస్తాం అన్నమాట. యూకి యూ క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది. Mn C bar by 6 2 lambda dou U by dou Y. This is equation 2. According to Newton's second law of motion, the rate of change of momentum is equals to force. Therefore, F equals to delta P by delta T per second means delta T equals to 1. Therefore, F equals to delta P. This is equation 3. From 2 and 3, F equals to Mn C bar by 6 into 2 lambda into dou U by dou Y. This is equation 4. From 1 and 4, eta dou U by dou Y equals to Mn C bar by 6 into 2 lambda dou U by dou Y. 2 3 is there. Dou U by dou Y cancel. Therefore, eta equals to Mn C bar by 3 into lambda. Lambda means mean free path. 1 by root 2 pi d square n. n కి n కి క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది. దట్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఏటా ఈక్వల్స్ టు mc బార్ బై 3 root 2 pi d square. This is equation of coefficient of viscosity.